CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. nslookup. nslookup is a command line utility used to query DNS, or domain name system servers, and retrieve information about domain names and IP addresses. It is essential for diagnosing DNS-related issues and verifying that DNS records are correctly configured. DNS functions like the Internet's phonebook, translating human-friendly domain names like example.com into IP addresses that computers use to communicate. The nslookup command allows you to interact with DNS servers to resolve domain names, check various types of DNS records, and troubleshoot connectivity issues. It can be used to identify whether problems accessing a website or service are due to DNS misconfigurations or other network issues. Imagine you're an IT technician, and a user reports that they cannot access Google's website. They're getting an error saying the site, google.com, can't be found. This kind of issue might be related to DNS problems. To investigate this, you can turn to a trusty tool called nslookup. First, let's see how nslookup can be used to resolve a domain name to an IP address. To do this, open the command prompt and type nslookup followed by the domain name, google.com, and press enter. If you do, the output will look something like this. In this example, nslookup contacts the DNS server configured on your computer and requests the IP address for google.com. The response shows the IP address, 172.217.5.238, indicating that the DNS resolution is working correctly for this site. Well, assuming the IP address displayed is indeed the address of google.com's web server. The versatility of nslookup makes it an indispensable tool for any IT professional. Whether you're troubleshooting website accessibility, email delivery issues, or verifying DNS record updates, nslookup provides the insights you need to diagnose and resolve DNS-related problems efficiently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.